Welcome to the Porphis Support Center. In this video, we're going to walk you through replacing the needle packing nut on the PHS-135 spray gun. Use flat nose pliers to remove the circlip. Watch out so it doesn't fly off. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the fluid adjustment knob. Take out the fluid needle spring. Pull out the fluid needle. Remove the trigger pin with hole. Unscrew the needle packing nut counterclockwise using the hex key. Install the new needle packing nut. Make sure to apply a grain-size drop of removable thread locker to the threads. Once you feel resistance, tighten it by another 1/8 turn. Reinstall the trigger pin with hole. Put back the fluid needle, spring, and fluid adjustment knob. Reinstall the circlip and make sure it snaps fully into place. Gently pull the trigger. If it moves smoothly, you're all set.